Hello, and welcome to the final video in the Herman Miller Mirra 1 series. Have you ever wondered why our refurbished Herman Miller Mirra 1 office chairs are almost identical to the new ones? Well, we at Office Logic Shop transform our seats from this to this. Every chair gets a special refurbishing process. First, we remove the seat. We thoroughly vacuum the whole seat to get rid of the dust. Nothing says spotless better than a meticulous and detailed steaming process. Next, we completely dry every part. Installing a clean gas cylinder is a must. In case of a damaged gas cylinder, we replace it with a new one. You can also check our previous video on how to replace the gas cylinder. We make sure to disinfect the seat to eliminate any chance of contamination. We love to take extra measures, and that's what makes Office Logic Shop special. Every part goes through our deep cleaning procedure. We replace the seat if it's damaged. Otherwise, we clean it very well. You can check our previous video on how we replace the seat. Our touch-up paint works its magic to cover any possible scratches. We have a detailed blog post on how to properly use it on our website, OfficeLogixShop.com. Then we replace the arm pads. You can check our previous video in this Mirra 1 series to learn about replacing the arm pads. Finally, and fresh out of their packaging, we replace the casters. And this is how we deliver our high-quality refurbished Herman Miller Mirra 1 office chairs. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and visit our website at OfficeLogixShop.com for more.